During the monsoon month, lakhs of Hindu devotees carry sacred water on kanwars from river Ganga to offer at Shiva temples. Now, the kanwars are designed by Muslim artists in the holy city of Haridwar, showcasing Hindu-Muslim unity. This poignant gesture enriches the Yatra's spiritual significance and highlights India's rich cultural tapestry, underscoring the power of cooperation in fostering mutual respect and harmony.
With the resonant chant of Om Namah Shivaya filling the air in temples, the auspicious month of Sawan is underway with immense significance, especially for devotees of Lord Shiva. This sacred period is marked by spiritual fervor, devotion, and collective celebration transcending geographical boundaries and cultural differences. One of the most striking aspects of Sawan is the Kanwaryatra, a religious journey where devotees carry ornate kanwars filled with holy Ganga Jal on their shoulders. A kanwar is a decorated bamboo pole with pictures suspended at each end, used to carry the sacred water from the river Ganga. In the heart of Haridwar, a city revered for its spiritual significance, a unique community of Muslim kanwar makers has thrived for generations. These skilled artisans have dedicated themselves to crafting exquisite kanwars that hold sacred Ganga Jal for Hindu pilgrims.
हम ये नहीं चाहते हिंदू है मुसलमानों सब भाई भाई हैं। कोई ये नहीं है कि हिंदू मुस्लिम है, हम दिमाग में बात है मैंने ये हिंदू है हम इनका काम क्यों करें, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है। हिंदू है मुस्लिम सब भाई भाई है, ये है जी। बहुत से काम ऐसे हैं कि हिंदू हमारे हिंदू भाई के मुसलमानों का काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत हैं ऐसे। तो इसमें हमारे दिल में कोई ऐसी बात नहीं होती, हम तो तसल्ली से अपना काम करते हैं, कोई ऐसी वो नहीं। काफी टाइम हो गया आता आता मैं यहाँ पे बचपन से आ रहा हूँ घर में अपने, कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं है यहाँ पे, अभी तक कोई दिक्कत कोई परेशानी नहीं है।
For decades, a sizable number of Muslim artisans from Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh have been an integral part of this sacred journey, meticulously crafting kanwars carried by Shiva devotees or kanwaryas. The involvement of Muslim artisans in Kanwaryatra preparation is a remarkable example of interfaith harmony. Despite belonging to different religious communities, these artisans and Hindu devotees share mutual respect and appreciation for each other's roles in this annual pilgrimage. The artisans' dedication to their craft and contribution to the Kanwaryatra underscores the deep-rooted tradition of communal harmony in India.
15 साल हो गए मैं आता हरिद्वार, और मेरा बेटा भी ये काम करे आएगा साथ में, और हमें बड़ी खुशी होती है। हम रावण के पुतले भी बनाते हैं दशहरे पे, हमें कोई वो नहीं है, भाईचारे वाली बात है।
The Kanwaryatra also provides a significant economic boost to these artisans, with demand for well-crafted kanwars peaking in the weeks leading up to the pilgrimage, providing vital income for many families. Local markets in Haridwar and neighbouring regions bustle with activity as artisans display vibrant kanwars, attracting buyers from across the country. This economic interdependence strengthens social bonds between Hindu and Muslim communities.